In this video, I'll show you how to change the send message shortcut in Base44 in just a few quick steps. If you want to customize how messages are sent so the workflow feels more natural for you, this is the easiest way to do it. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump right in. First, look at the bottom left corner of your Base44 screen and click your profile icon. This is where you'll find your account and app settings. Once the menu opens, click Settings. That will take you into the main settings area for Base44. On the left-hand navigation bar, click Preferences. This section contains the personalization options that let you adjust how the app behaves. Now find the Send Message Shortcut section. Under that setting, click the drop-down menu. You'll see the available shortcut options listed there. Select your preferred way to send a message. As soon as you choose it, Base44 will update the shortcut setting for you. That's it. You've now changed the send message shortcut in Base44 and customized the app to match the way you like to work. If this video was helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.